speed.
Yeah. Ellie, got it.
Got it.
He jumps kind of weird, so it's hard to like get an exact picture, you know? Oh. She got her butt whooped in the warm-up today.
I thought I saw him.
Well,
going to town.
she like didn't apparently what's it called? Collect him after the jump, and he said that, which I didn't really hear him say.
I saw when she went over the last jump. Something. She did something.
She let him go, and he freaked.
Like me.
And he was like, "Oh my God, what are you doing?" And she was like, sorry.
It was the uncollected downward transition.
Well, she's going really slow, and he was getting upset about that. I think it's done. Wait, no, it's not. Oh shit. This is our course backwards, Ole.
Is it?
She done?
Oh yeah.
I don't think so.
Almost. Holy poops.
Is that it?
No.
Clear over the jump.